Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today is the last day of our Petals and Parchment spring event where all week long we had video tutorials, freebies, sales in our shop, and there is still a shop deal going on right now, the last day of our event, where it is 30% off shop wide. So if you head over to our Etsy shop, if you happen to miss any of the sales this week, you should be able to get any of those items right now for 30% off. And a reminder that a portion of these proceeds go to God's Hands for Kids, which is a charity that helps foster kids and families get supplies that they need. So thank you so much to everyone who purchased something during this event for helping us support this great charity. And a little fun surprise for everyone, we've decided to go ahead and add another freebie into the mix just to say thank you for today. So if you check the description box right now, you should be able to get this freebie here, which is this cute little card. So it doesn't come with the cheesecloth or the charm, but it does come with the card and kind of the little frame for it. So again, you can find that down in the link below, download it, printed on cardstock, and follow those instructions to go ahead and make that. And one last little thing here before we announce the winners. You might notice that I sound a little tired or that my voice keeps breaking. I'm actually really sick right now. Our entire family seems to have caught something and it's going around and we're all pretty ill. So I've tried to record this a couple of times and my voice keeps cracking and I just can't seem to get through it. So if my voice sounds a little off, I'm very sorry. That's why. Hopefully you can kind of forgive me for that. But otherwise, let's go ahead and jump right in and announce the winners of the event. So if you're seeing your name on screen right now, you are one of the lucky winners who are getting a coupon to our shop. To claim that, you just have to send us a message through Etsy and we will get that sorted for you to use on our shop. And a big congratulations to our final winner here, which is Dawn by 6203, who is also the grand prize winner, who is winning the junk journal that we are giving away as well. So a big congratulations to all those winners and thank you to everyone who participated in our Petals and Parchment spring event. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future events, freebies, tutorials, things like that. And a final reminder that we are still having that 30% off shop-wide sale today, Sunday, March 22nd, 2026. So make sure to take advantage of that while it lasts. And we hope to see you in our next tutorial. Bye!